Alright, I got a new video for you guys. I'm going to show you guys how to take the cylinder off of, this is the glove compartment. This is from another TL that I junked, that I sent off to the junkyard like probably a month ago after stripping all the parts and stuff from it. So I'm basically going to show you guys that you can get the coating for your key using this. So this, each one of these little notches on here is a number for it. So basically what I'm going to do is I junked the car key is gone, everything is gone for the car. I was able to duplicate this key just by taking the coating off this cylinder, and I'm going to show you guys how to get the coating off the cylinder. And now I'm going to be offering a service to where I can actually, if you pull this cylinder and give me the top 4 numbers on the cylinder, which I'm going to show you right now how to do, I can cut the key for you and just mail it to you cut already. So you won't have to go through a long process. You just got to program it yourself, and everybody knows to use the dongle from the phone to program it. I'm going to go show you guys the process right now. I'm going to show you how easy it is. It's going to be 1, 2, 3. And contact me or drop me a message if anything, if, you know, show me your support. And I'll also have a new clothes and hoodies and different things like that for sale. So check that out in the video or whatever. In the description it'll be there, in the link, if you guys are interested. All right, so now I'll start. So you just take out this piece right here. I wouldn't recommend using a metal tool. I'll use like a plastic pry tool, like what you do to pop up pieces of plastic in the interior. I'm just using this because I don't care, because this is a junk car. This is from a TL that I don't use, and it's no good. So this is the plastic part. So let me just show you guys that it presses in correctly the way it should, you know, and when you lock it, it won't close in. So keep in mind, like I said, I had no keys for this, and I was able to do it. So now what we have right now is a spring clamp right here. So with that spring clamp, let me show you guys closer. See that clamp right there? All it does is you spring it back. You just pull on it with this. But what I would recommend is I'm going to take like some plastic and shove it under. It'll stop that spring from falling down into it. So, you know, you guys might want to stick something down there so it doesn't fall down. So you just grab the spring, use like a knife. Well, I wouldn't recommend using a knife. Use something that you can just pop it off. And see? And the spring just comes right off. And there we go. This is the spring clamp right here. Super easy. Then you just grab the cylinder like so and lift it out. That's it. So then now flip it around, and there we go. That's the coating for it, for the cylinder, for your key. If you didn't have your ignition changed, if your ignition changed, then it'll be different. Then this won't work. But if you still got the factory ignition, then these should be good to go. See, the top 4 digits are 6323. That's for this, but I don't need this car because this car's a junkyard, so it doesn't matter. So this is the cylinder code that I typed in, the 4 numbers in my machine, and I was able to duplicate the key using this blade, and meaning that I can do this. All you have to do is send me this picture of this on your cylinder, and I'll be able to duplicate a key for you without even having to mail it to you cut the keys, that if you decide to buy a key from me. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to put this back in. Put the cylinder like so, with the groove that's right here, the notch slides in. Then the spring clamp that sits here, it sits here on the top in a groove, and it sits on the bottom in a groove. So what I do is I put it in the groove up top already, and then you can like grab it from the bottom here and pull it forward. It's not hard. It's really easy. Anybody can do it. Boom. That's it. Spring clamp is already back in. It's in the groove on top, and it's in the groove on the bottom. Take this out. This just snaps in. Okay, just like that. Then I put the 4 numbers into my machine, Then it cuts the blade. This is the blade after it cuts it. Okay. This is what it looked like. I remember, yeah, this is what the blade did look like for the customer's car. So I put it in here, turn it. This will lock it. So I press the button. As you see, it won't work. It won't lock the glove box. Then I can unlock it, and it opens perfectly. So it works. If it opens and closes the glove box, it'll open, it'll turn on the ignition and turn it off. I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace. And don't forget to support the channel. I have clothing that I just released at the bottom of the video. Just check it out and support the channel. If you guys have any comments, leave it below. All right, peace.